Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic racing facilities in the United States, the Texas Motorplex. Located in Ennis, Texas, this track is a cornerstone of American motorsports, especially when it comes to drag racing. So buckle up as we take a closer look at the history, features, and significance of the Texas Motorplex. Texas Motorplex opened its doors in 1986 and quickly established itself as a premier venue for high-speed, high-stakes drag racing. Created by Billy Meyer, a former professional drag racer, the Motorplex was designed with one goal in mind: to bring a world-class racing experience to the heart of Texas. Fun fact, this was the first purpose-built, all-concrete drag strip in the world. Concrete surfaces are crucial in drag racing because they provide better traction, making for faster and safer runs. The track was designed to cater to the growing popularity of the National Hot Rod Association, NHRA, and it didn't take long for it to become a fan favorite. Texas Motorplex is not just any racetrack. With a 1,000-foot drag strip, it's built to handle high-performance vehicles, from dragsters to motorcycles. The layout includes state-of-the-art timing systems and lighting, ensuring both precision and excitement at every event. The track itself is located on a 300-acre property, and the venue has the capacity to accommodate tens of thousands of spectators. It's an epic place for fans, with an electric atmosphere during major events like the E. The venue also features a large pit area, fan zones, and luxury suites, making it not just a track, but an entire racing experience. The grandstands give fans a perfect view of the track, so no matter where you're sitting, you're in for a thrill. Now, if you know drag racing, you know that the Texas Motorplex is a staple of the NHRA season. Since its opening, it has hosted countless races, but none more famous than the NHRA Fall Nationals. This event, held every year, draws top drivers and massive crowds from across the globe. Aside from the NHRA, the Motorplex also hosts other major events like the Texas Motorplex Shootout and Street Outlaws races, adding even more variety and excitement to the calendar. These events not only attract hardcore racing fans, but also car enthusiasts from all over. Over the years, Texas Motorplex has become more than just a racetrack. It's a place where memories are made, both for drivers and fans. It's a proving ground for some of the most skilled racers in the world, and it holds a unique spot in the history of drag racing. The track has seen some of the fastest and most famous drivers push the limits of speed. It's been the backdrop for incredible records, high-speed runs, and unforgettable moments. But beyond the races, it's also a community hub, bringing together people who share a love for the sport and the thrill of the race. So whether you're a racing fan or just someone who appreciates speed and precision, the Texas Motorplex is a must-visit destination. It's a track where legends are made and history is written, one race at a time. If you ever get the chance to experience it live, you'll see why it's one of the top drag racing venues in the world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep racing!